Good morning. Good morning. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much as well to a lot of people, a lot of staff who were very kind to put up with a lot of my mistakes, and thank you to them. They were great, really good. It's just as difficult as it looks. My staff were saying to me yesterday, they said, why don't you smile when you're doing this? Because you have to concentrate a lot. So it's really, really hard. So thank you to them. Thank you as well for coming here. It's a brand new day. You've taken valuable time out of all of your days to come and spend time with us. Some very, very distinguished guests. Thank you very much indeed for joining us this morning. Also to our sponsors and partners for making this possible. And you'll see lots and lots of solutions and excitement from them as well during the day. And it's going to be a very entertaining day. And you're going to see a lot that I think you're going to be able to take back straight away. You're really going to like what you see. I've been using these products for, in Office 2007, I think it's 6 or 8 months I've been using for. It is fantastic, really good. So, this is an interesting thing. When I think about a launch, I've worked for Microsoft for 9.5 years. I've done a few launches before, but I don't launch. Perhaps people are thinking, well, I'm going to see these products, I'm probably going to like them, they're going to be nice, and then I need to see how it works with my other applications. I might wait a bit, I'll see how other people get on. These are, I think, fairly common from before. What you're going to see with these products today is a lot of that thinking from Microsoft already took place. If you take Windows as an example, the previous versions of Windows were basically, effectively, the same code set over 20 years. More code on top of other code on top of more code. Windows Vista is written from the ground up. It is a completely new product. It takes into account whole new ways of programming to ensure it's really, really, really secure. It also looks at users. What do they do? Where is their eye on the screen? Where do they want to see the mouse go? What are the error messages they would like to see? And the software trying to be intuitive as well. If it thinks the driver is not on your PC, it will just go out on the internet, find it, bring it back, install it, and you'll never know. You didn't even know that it wasn't there. So trying to make sure that the power of the software is serving the user. Very, very, very high quality. Office 2007 was tested by 3.5 million people. Now imagine a hole this size. Imagine it now to be 1,000 times bigger. That's how many people tested Office 2007. So it's super high quality as well. And of course, as you'll see today, I am certain as you see the things today, you'll be thinking, oh, I want to use that. I could develop this. I could do this. I could... Lots and lots of innovation as a platform for partners. There was a study in the US that said that Vista alone will ensure another $18 for the partner ecosystem for every $1 of Vista sold. So it's really going to propel a lot of great new hardware, great services, and fantastic things that you're going to see today. There's a super gadget that you'll see from Channel 7 just to give you a glimpse of what's possible. It's really fantastic. So ultimately, what's our software all about? What is a business all about, actually? The business is all about people. It is people that make all these important things happen. You've heard me say before, I'm sure, when people say, what are my top 3 priorities for the business? People, people, people. Because it's people who will get those great customer relationships for you. It is people who will think about the ways that we can innovate to serve customers better. It is those people who will have ideas. The software doesn't have many ideas. The people have ideas. How can we help stimulate that through information technology and share those and make them more real? Give them a quick lifespan. Building partner connections, ensuring that your entire ecosystem of partners and channels moves into one, so that your organization is a virtual organization, including all those people that you have to work with, including your customers, virtually attached to your organization. This is the world that we live in today. That is not the world that Windows XP was built for 10 years ago when it was first conceived. Vista is. And clearly improve your operations as well. reducing your costs and increasing your profits. These are trends. Now, in fact, we have two fantastic speakers later on who are going to talk about trends in their industry. I imagine they're going to resonate very similarly with these trends. We are operating in what is an increasingly globalized world, where we have opportunity abroad and we have competition from abroad. So to make sure that we are agile and strong inside our own organizations and can be quickly moving against competitive threat and quickly taking advantage of opportunity. Transparent organizations in every respect, in terms of making sure that we can share information, the information is easily accessible, the right information for the right person, ensuring that we manage that. Not all information for everybody, the right information for the right people. How can we protect that and make sure that it works like that? Always on, always connected. Businesses now are 24/7. Customers, they don't really expect in the future about technology that the company is closed. They don't expect their service to be ended at 5 o'clock. They will expect, they do expect, and partners want to deal with you all the time. So we're in businesses now which are operating all around the clock, and that is advantage as well. It's great ways that we can service our customers better. And of course, there's constant cost pressures on every business. Software can help this. Software has to empower the people. It is people who will effectively do this. How can we take the software? How can we make that software really powerful, yet very easy to use? Now, I can say these things, but during the course of today, I am sure, I hope, you will go, ooh, ah, ooh, when you see what you're going to see today. It is really amazing what has been captured in terms of power, very easy to access. And that's kind of important as well. We have so many new features that we've got to put inside the products that users expect and want, but we've got to make those things accessible. We've got to make sure that when somebody uses Microsoft Office, they're really getting to use as much of that, all of that, and really bringing to bear on all of these important things. Finding information. Nowadays, as everybody knows, the data store is the world. That's our data store. That's where our data is everywhere. It's on our PCs, it's on our servers, it's on somebody else's PCs, it's on their servers. The data is everywhere. But there's a lot of data. We want insight. We want business decisions. How can we make that happen in a way that can make our business agile? Really, you need new tools, but powerful new tools. Powerful new tools to visualize. Powerful new tools to search. Powerful new ways to manage content so that it's secure but accessible to the people who need it. In a virtual world, in a connected world where everybody is working together as one, including our partners, our customers, our employees. Everybody is roaming now. They're out mobile workers, sales forces are outside. How can we connect them? Make sure they're connected to all the important information. It's this world that these products were built for, right from the ground up. And you'll see that later on today. The graphical user interface has changed. You will see this. Again,